What if I told you this isn't just a 1959 Chevy Apache pickup? It's a six-figure time machine that looks classic, drives like a supercar, and turns more heads than anything built today. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today I'm taking you on a journey that smells like premium leather, hot metal, and history rewritten at full throttle. Picture this, the year is 1959. America is obsessed with chrome, tail fins are everywhere, and Chevrolet drops one of the most iconic trucks to ever roll off an assembly line, the Apache Fleetside pickup. Fast forward to today, and this machine has been reborn as a Restomod, so refined, so obsessively engineered, it feels less like a truck and more like rolling automotive art. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside wasn't just transportation. Back then, it was a statement. Wide grille, quad headlights, that unmistakable Fleetside bed with smooth, uninterrupted lines. It represented confidence, optimism, and hard-earned pride. Farmers, builders, and dreamers all trusted this truck. But the Restomod we're talking about today, this one isn't hauling hay bales. It's hauling legacy, luxury, and raw performance in equal measure. From a distance, the body looks almost factory perfect, and that's intentional. The paint alone could cost more than a modern economy car. Deep, mirror-like, layered in multiple coats, wet sanded and polished until the reflections look liquid. Whether it's a rich metallic charcoal, a period-correct turquoise elevated with modern depth, or a bold candy red that glows under sunlight, the finish tells you immediately no expense was spared. Every panel is laser straight. Door gaps are razor precise. Even the hood and tailgate shut with a soft, confident click that whispers craftsmanship. The chrome isn't just shiny, it's flawless. Replated, restored, or custom fabricated, every piece gleams like jewelry. The grille dominates the front end, proud and unapologetic, framed by those signature dual headlights that feel like eyes locked on the horizon. Subtle Restomod touches are there if you know where to look. Smooth seams, hidden hinges, shaved badges, all done with restraint and respect. Then you drop your eyes to the stance, and that's where the modern magic really shows. This Apache doesn't sit like it did in 1959. It sits mean, confident, planted. Underneath is a fully modernized chassis, often a custom-built frame or a high-end aftermarket setup designed to handle serious power. Independent front suspension, performance coilovers, rack and pinion steering. This truck doesn't wander, it hunts. Massive disc brakes hide behind custom wheels that blend classic design with modern size and performance rubber. The result is a truck that looks timeless but drives like a high-end sports sedan. Now let's talk about the heart, because this is where the soul of the Restomod comes alive. Gone is the original workhorse engine, replaced by something that commands respect. Maybe it's a fuel-injected LS V8, meticulously tuned, cleanly wired, and finished to show car standards. Maybe it's a modern crate motor pushing well north of 400 horsepower. Turn the key, and the engine fires instantly, settling into a smooth, confident idle that tells you this machine is ready for anything. Press the throttle and the sound changes, deep, controlled, aggressive without being obnoxious. This is power you feel in your chest, not just here. Paired with that engine is a modern transmission, often an automatic with paddle shift capability or a refined overdrive setup that makes highway cruising effortless. This Apache can cruise at modern speeds all day long, quiet and composed, then explode with acceleration when you ask for it. Cooling systems are upgraded, wiring is modernized, and everything under the hood is laid out like a luxury watch. Functional, beautiful, intentional. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The cabin is no longer Spartan or utilitarian. This is where classic truck meets high-end luxury lounge. Custom leather seats hug you just right, stitched with precision, often in rich tones that complement the exterior. The dash retains its original shape but is upgraded with modern gauges that give you real-time data without ruining the vintage vibe. You might see LED backlighting, brushed metal accents, and subtle carbon or wood details depending on the build's personality. The steering wheel feels substantial, often custom-wrapped, perfectly weighted. The floors are insulated and finished with premium materials, eliminating road noise and heat. You can actually have a conversation in this truck. Climate control keeps the cabin perfect no matter the weather. And yes, there's modern audio, hidden speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, and a sound system that rivals luxury sedans, all discreetly integrated so nothing looks out of place. Every switch, every knob, every surface has been touched, evaluated, and elevated. This isn't restoration for nostalgia's sake. This is reinvention with respect. Even the smallest details matter. Soft closed doors, custom seat belts, hidden USB ports, and smart storage solutions that make the truck usable every day. And that's the real beauty of a high-end 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside Restomod. It's not just for car shows, it's built to be driven. You can take it to a 5-star hotel, a cross-country road trip, or a private collection showcase, and it belongs everywhere. It turns heads at gas stations. People don't just glance, they stop, stare, and smile. Older folks remember their past. Younger ones discover something they didn't know they were missing. The price for a build like this? Let's just say it lives comfortably in six-figure territory and sometimes beyond. But you're not paying for metal and rubber alone. You're paying for thousands of hours of skilled labor, for design decisions made with restraint and vision, for the fusion of eras done right. You're paying for a truck that honors history while outperforming the present. This Apache tells a story. It speaks of American design at its peak, of modern engineering at its finest, and of passion strong enough to bridge decades. It's a reminder that trucks can be beautiful, that craftsmanship still matters, and that some classics don't fade, they evolve. So next time you see a 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside Restomod rolling by, don't just see a truck. See the ambition, the artistry, and the relentless pursuit of perfection that brought it back to life. And if this kind of content gets your engine running, you already know what to do. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel.